Well, first at 9, a well-known tailor in Birmingham getting some national recognition thanks to this year's theme at the Met Gala.
Your reporter Brady Talbert catching up with Robert Hill, who's now featured in Vogue magazine, Brady.
Yeah, this is so cool, Steve and Brittany. Robert Hill got his start under master tailors in Chicago, then opened up his own business right here in Birmingham. In addition to making national headlines, he also made clothes for a few names you'll likely recognize.
Behind the door at Robert Hill Custom Tailors, you'll find Robert Hill doing what he loves, tailoring clothes in the Magic City since 1983. People come from all over to experience his craftsmanship, and now so can the rest of the country.
It really was exciting to be in Vogue magazine.
He's featured in the piece, The Black Tailors Who Kept Dandyism Alive for Decades. The article ties into this year's Met Gala theme, celebrating black style and culture, something Hill embraced long before the national spotlight.
Matter of fact, I would wear a suit to school sometime and a pocket square, and it's just a tradition.
He graduated from G.W. Carver High in Montgomery, where a gentleman's club taught students how to dress. It quickly became a passion and a solution.
I was small, very small, and I couldn't find really clothing to fit me, and I got interested, and I said, well, shoot, I'll get to the point where I can make my own clothes.
And he's made them for some big names.
As you can see, I did Coach Stalling when he was at Alabama, and when I was downtown, first opened, I had a good friend of mine, it was Paul Feinbaum. We did some of his clothes, when he started.
Even local TV personalities.
Steve Crocker.
Oh yeah, Steve Crocker. That's one of my good clients. I do a lot of custom shirts for him as well.
At 83 years old, he's still making quality pieces and hopes to pass his skills on.
I don't want to retire, but I really would like to have some younger person or somebody to come in and kind of follow in my footsteps. I can train and get accustomed to what I do, how I do it.
And they'll be in good hands. Even the editors at Vogue agree.
Don't you love that? Mr. Hill also thanked his wife for years of support despite the many long hours he has to spend at his shop. And he says he's grateful for God for his long life and making it through the financial hardships of the pandemic. Brittany and Steve.
Good job, Brady. And he's a giant, really. A reminder that